Hi folks, Professor Amachi wanted to get you through T2 case problem 2. This is the, looks like to be a syllabus for a Civil War history class. So if you are ready, let's get started. So what we have here is a page here that could be a lot better. Okay, so first thing we're gonna be doing up here is let's see, we have our character set that's already here under the head. Let's link to our style sheet. Our style sheet is gonna be like this. That is gonna be CW styles. .css there. Okay, so CW styles, that's going to link to a page that has nothing in there until we start building it. Now, there's this section in here that says, using the Google Fonts website, locate the Limelight font. Copy the code for the link element to use this font and paste the copied code to the document head in the CW class HTML file. So what does that mean? That means we're going to come out here, just search for Google Fonts. That should get you up near the top of the search there. And what you're going to want to do is search for Limelight. And of course, this is a collection of fonts that you can use in your website. If you need some extra special fonts that your program doesn't come with automatically. Okay, so if we were to search for Limelight here it is. It's Limelight. And cool. So this is our glyphs. This is our about Limelight here. This is the designer and the license. These fonts are licensed under the open font license. So I like that because the price is usually free on that. Okay, so we're going to select this style here. And you see this link that's right here? This right here. So we're going to copy that. And we're going to reference that in our style sheet. Okay, so paste that in. Okay, paste that in, and we are now going to get started with the CSS sheet here. Okay, so we'll save CSS styles here. Here we go. So the first thing you're going to want to do, okay, we're going to do a character set. We're going to do UTF-8. And this one right here, we are also going to import. And it's going to be a URL here. And we're going to import CW layout. Okay, so this is the other way that we can pull in another CSS. That may be a separate file elsewhere. And yeah, just grab that, import it in right there. Okay, good. So our structural styles here. Let's go with HTML. Our background color is going to be RGB. 151, 151, 151. Okay. And how about we go live here? Okay, there we go. We're live now. For our body, we're going to set a background color and we're going to set the font family. The background color is going to be RGB 180, 180, 223. And the font family. Let's go with this one. Verdana, Geneva, Sans Serif. So bring this back over here. Okay, good. Now our H1 and H2. H1 and H2, let's set our font weight to normal. Okay. Our nav links, see these here? Why don't we set the text decoration to none? Okay. And our footer, let's see if we can come down here. Can't really see it down there, but here, let's fly this one over here. So what we're gonna do with the footer is we're going to center this. We're gonna make the text white, set a background color to this as well. So the footer here, set the background color to RGB. Okay, 101, 101, 101. Okay, see that starting to come out here? Okay, what else do we got? Font size 0.8. Okay. Text align. We're gonna go center on that. See, it's starting to go center there. Let's set that color to white. Okay, good. And our padding. Set that to 1 pixel and 0 there. So yeah, we got our padding here. We got this centered. Okay, starting to look good there. Body header styles. Let's come out here, and the body and the child element underneath that, the header. Let's set that background color to RGB to 11. Okay, the body header H1, that font family is going to be Limelight and cursive. Hey, there's that Limelight font there. Good. And if the Limelight font wasn't in there, then it would fall back to cursive. So the color, we're going to set to RGBA. Okay, set it to those there. Good. Font size. I'll set that to 4. Margin is 0 pixels. Padding. Let's set that to 10 pixel by 20 pixels. Good. It's coming along nicely there. For the body header, H1, and for the span there, let's set the color to RGBA and the alpha to 0.4. So good. Okay, navigation styles. Navigation styles, I think that's going to be this up here. So let's set those main links. Okay, padding top. 5 pixels. And padding bottom also to 5 pixels. Okay, so we got some padding going there. Let's set the nav main links for visited and nav main links for whatever is a link there. So by default, we're just going to set that to white. Okay. There it is. Our links are in white there. And let's set what happens when we hover over them, or if we make one of those active. That's done with this. So it's nav main links for the hover and nav main links for the active. The background color is going to be RGBA. Set that to 51, 51, 51, 0.5 for the alpha. Okay, see that? Now you can hover and you have some highlighting when you hover. Okay, and that color, let's set that RGBA 255, 255, 255, and the alpha is 0.8. Okay, good, 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 good. Let's go to the outline styles now. Outline styles, we're gonna set nav outline. So the color RGB 51, 51, 51. And set that font size to 0.8. Okay, good. You see the 0.8 there. Okay, nav outline for the H1s. Gonna text align towards the center. Okay, that was this up here, so we just centered the course outline up there. Okay, for the ordered list, by default, it's just gonna go numerically like that, but we can change it to Roman numerals. So let's do that. We're gonna do nav outline. And this one is the ordered list there. So that line height, we can set that to 2. Our margin, we can set that to 0 pix by 5 pixel. And list style type. Okay, list style type, upper Roman. So notice you can also do alpha or Latin. So in this case, we'll do Roman. Isn't that nice? Starting to see those as Roman numerals there. Let's set our nav outline ordered list. So anything that's ordered list. So we'll set this to list a style type, and we'll go alpha for that. Upper alpha. Okay. So these numerals here just change to alpha. And let's set the nav outline for the visited and nav outline for the link. Let's set that color to RGB. 101, 101, 101. Okay, so yeah. Nice, nice, nice. So let's also set nav outline A hover and nav outline for the active. Set that color to RGB. 97, 97, 211 there. And text decoration, we are going to do underline for these. How about we fix the fat finger? Much better. Good. Now we see our hovers properly there. Okay, section styles. Okay, section, we're going to go background color, RGB. Okay, good. Different background color for the section. This is a section out here. So if it's a section header for H1 there, why don't we set our font size to 2.2 and our padding left to 10 pixel. Okay, good. Next up is our article styles. So anything that's a H2 under the article there. Set that font size to 1.4. Okay, good. And the article, if it's a paragraph there, first of type. And if it's a first letter, for that first letter there, we're going to set the font size to 2. Okay. And we're going to set the vertical align to baseline. Okay, good. Aside styles. Here we go. Let's set the aside for Professor Craft over here. Let's set the font size as 0.9. Okay, that adjusted that. And then the aside H1. How about we center that? Yep, just like that. And then font size. Set that to 1.4. All right. I think this is going to do it for the for this online syllabus here. Yeah, just like a course outline, we have the Roman numerals and the alphas here for your ordered list. And we have the aside element over here, and we have a section over here too. And we have our colored nav links. So folks, that was cool. That was pretty neat. I hope you enjoyed it, and I sure enjoyed this as well. So please like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.